The brand of the iron cast skillet or frying pan that I bought from Amazon is it's here in my phone. So it's a large cast iron skillet, and it says here pre-seasoned and ready for stovetop or oven use. The size is the diameter is 10.25 inches. The color is black. I bought it only for $28.58. It is a discounted price. The regular price is around, I'm gonna check it later. So in total, including the tax, I paid around $32.87. So if you want to check this item, just click on the link on the description below. That will lead you to this item. The regular price of this product, oh, the price has changed. It is already $36.97 now, so I really got a good deal. The regular price is $54, so it's a good price already for a iron cast metal or an iron cast skillet. So I'm gonna do an unboxing right now, and here it is. So this is the box. It's huge, so that's why it's 18 inches. I'm just gonna use the cutter, so be sure to use it safely. Alright. Here you go. Okay, so this is the skillet. Wow, it's so heavy. It's so heavy, eh? Look at it. So this is the brand Lodge, and then 4 USA. So I don't know what is this. 8SK. It has written on it. It says here seasoned cast iron skillet. There you go again. The brand. Taste the natural difference of just iron and oil. Keep me in the family and out of the landfill. Use me to cook your favorite foods anytime, anywhere. So there is also a section here that says what the product is contained with. So you just read it there. And yeah, so this is the skillet. So it's really heavy. It's really heavy, and the handles here are all metal. It's all together with the pan, so it doesn't have a separate component, and it's impressive. Wow. Okay, so this is the skillet that I'm using right now for cooking. So you may be wondering what this glass cover is. So it's just from one of our glasswares that I use so to cover what I am cooking. So I'm cooking right now pork belly. So this is also, the cover is also a 10-inch glassware. Aside from cooking pork here, you could also stir fry using the pan. Easy peasy. It's easier for you, and it's just wondering why it's non-stick. If you find value in this video, and if you want more unboxing experiences, or if you want something that you want me to try, or you want me to you want me to show you before you buy, let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll do my best to purchase that product for you and do a review or maybe just an unboxing and see and show you the details before you purchase the product, because I know how it feels looking for details on an item before buying. So I'm doing that in your behalf. So yep. So there are also other videos here if you want to watch. It's all about saving money